Hello and welcome, it's Chili Cube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. Well, what you seen there when I started off was some leftover paint from a dip that I did. There's another video out for a unicorn. So this is just continuing on using my wax-proof craft paper and just showing you, you can continue to make art on the same piece of paper. I just love this colour combination. My 5-year-old granddaughter, Penny, chose the colour combination and it was just absolutely stunning. If you've seen the unicorn video that I did for Penny, that's, same colour combo. But I decided to continue on and do a dip. Like so, I'm doing a dip as a background for a multi floral effect. I kind of probably could have just left it with the dip because it was absolutely stunning, as you'll see. But of course, I just wanted to push myself that little bit further and add some more to it. It's just a joy to do. It's for the actual joy of creating that. My intention for this piece was. So just dipped the canvas nice and easy, press it all out, make sure that that paint is going to touch all of those parts of the canvas when you turn it back over. And I've got a cake cooling rack ready to pop that on. So I'm going to dip and twist, because I find that it gives like a little bit of a muted or sort of whimsical effect to it. So there you go, I'm trying to decide, do I pull it straight up, do I pull it to the side? Oh, look at that, that is just gorgeous. And then I've got that whole sheet there which I actually left to dry, and I can use it jewellery, cut it out for another piece of art. That's for another day. But yeah, super happy with that. And I really probably should have left that exactly as it is, but I didn't. I really wanted to do a multi-flowers all over it. So using these, some of my favourite colours, that's my Berry Delicious there. And I'll continue on and do a whole piece full of flowers. So watch on and I'll jump in when I feel I need to.
Easy rider on the highway, station wagon going slow, windows open, you are basking in the bluegrass radio. It is easy now to see you with your hand out on the wind. I keep this folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Pink azaleas by your driveway, shade our leisurely goodbyes. In your terry cotton sweater, with your arms sweeping the sky. It was then I had a knowing you were waving till the bend. I keep this folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Folded at the corner so that I could not forget.
I absolutely love doing sort of multi-techniques on one piece. It probably was definitely overkill on this piece, and I could have just left it the dip because that was gorgeous in itself. But you know, just push on if you choose to. Remember, it's your art, your rules, your way, and do what gives you pleasure. And I just continued on with this. So I wanted to see which sort of would look the best by doing those balloon kisses as well. So yeah, I'm just going to continue and literally blow this whole lot out into a multi-flower creation.
Easy rider on the highway, station wagon going slow, windows open, you are basking in the bluegrass radio. It is easy now to see you with your hand out on the wind. I keep this folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Pink azaleas by your driveway, shade our leisurely goodbyes. In your terry cotton sweater, with your arms sweeping the sky. It was then I had a knowing. You were waving till the bend. I keep this folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Folded at the corner so that I could not forget.
Yeah, I'm going in twists and turns on this one, adding colour, taking it away. I love actually the white in there with it. It sort of adds another dimension. And really up close, those balloon kisses are so detailed. I would just not be able to get that detail if I was hand painting those flowers on. I just wouldn't. But I'm super happy with this piece. I just remember at the time while I was doing it, it just gave me so much joy, and that's what it's really all about. It's if you personally feel pleasure from what you're creating. It's just a wonderful, wonderful pastime. But I will come down and show you a close-up now. Oh, I'm just super happy with this spring flower pop out covering the canvas. You may well ask why I did such an elaborate base, being so I covered it all up. Well, basically, the thing is when you then balloon kiss, you get those beautiful colours come through. So I wanted to do the dark purple so the colours had come through, but super happy with those. And let it dry, and with a coat of resin with a bit of dragonfly glaze in the resin, that will really sparkle. Look at that. They're just fabulous. It's so easy and so inspiring to do, and certainly does give you your art therapy. It is therapeutic just to be on your own. Nobody telling you what to do. Remember, your art, your rules, your way. Just enjoying the process. So yeah, I will definitely be doing something with what I've got left on the canvas. Look, I've got some beautiful kisses here, which, as I said before, my granddaughters, I leave this to dry and they spend hours cutting them out to put onto cards and take to school with them. So I've got lots of lovely kisses for them to cut out when they next come up. My granddaughter did cut a few out when she was here yesterday. This was another one that was on that wax paper, and then she's, you know, so these can go in jewellery as well. Like, you keep the piece of wax paper and you just can cut it out to make cabochons or whatever. So many pieces of art out of one particular process. So hope you love that anyway. Bye for now. Here it is with just one coat of resin at present. The resin has got the dragonfly glaze in it for that sparkle. So yeah, it's kind of like a glass finish on your art when you resin it, but it does make the canvas heavy. And as you can see, probably right on the very edges, the resin has not quite gone over, so it could do with a second coat. But look at the sparkle in that. Absolutely gorgeous. It's bright and beautiful. Such a fun project and so easy to do. Gorgeous in Queensland today. Absolutely stunning. We're at the beginning of our winter and it is beautiful.